In VS Code's built-in extension user interface, you can use a special query syntax to discover new extensions and explore the extensions you already have installed. Let's say I wanted to install a spell checker. Like normal, I'll just type spell to see a list of the spell checking extensions in the marketplace. Now, the list here is sorted by what the marketplace thinks are the most relevant extensions. But let's say we wanted to see the highest ranked extensions first. To do that, after my search term, I can just say @ and then sort. And here's a list of sorting options. Let's say I wanted to sort by the rating. Now it's gone and sorted this list by the rating. I can also change this to instead sort by the name. So now it's sorting this list alphabetically. Now, if I get rid of that search term again and just type an @ symbol on its own, you'll see that there's all these other special queries that I can do as well. Some of these are for categories like language packs, for example, or to see things like recommended extensions. So this is all the extensions that are recommended based on my current workspace. I can also use the special @built-in search term to see a list of VS Code's built-in extensions. Many of these filters are also available through the little drop-down menu over here. But oftentimes it's quicker to just type an @ and if you remember the term you're looking for, just enter that. So that is the special query syntax in VS Code's Extension Explorer. It can help speed up your queries and makes managing extensions a little bit easier.